Certainly is a lot of snow.
Pretty extensive report here. Roads in the borough of Chambersburg are rough. Be careful, right? It's that other idiot that goes too fast.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty out here.
Didn't get jacked
Everybody
up
be safe.
this morning, so.
And as you can tell, some roads are better than others. And then there's a big tree that fell down and is blocking the road. That's wonderful. Well, made it past the tree. Now attempting to get to work. Getting closer. Well, I made it into work in one piece. Now if I don't slip and fall on my way into it, in the parking lot, that'll be great. Everybody be safe out there.